But what you need to realize in that moment, that especially what's going on right now, things can always be worse.
How do you, and I'm going to twist this back to kind of what you talk about. How do I stop a bad habit, or how do I discipline myself to maybe wake up early because I know I'm going to be more productive, if I feel I should sleep in? Like, where's that medium of going with what works for you, and adding some adversity to your life? Healthy adversity, of course.
100%. I generally believe we should be moving more towards stress. As human beings, we've gotten too soft. I'll say that plainly. We do need to reset our thermostat. And I believe a lot of people's thermostats have been reset. And when I say thermostat, let's say 100 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius, Fahrenheit is the worst thing that's happened in your life. Okay, 100 degrees Fahrenheit is you lost your sister. Okay. Now, a lot of people, that's their ceiling. What I mean by resetting your thermostat is realizing, and I'm not taking away anyone's moment of grief, okay, because it's important that we all grieve. But what you need to realize in that moment, that especially what's going on right now, things can always be worse. And then what happens, whether you go camping and you realize, oh, wow, I've got it pretty easy, right? Or your phone breaks and now you realize, wow, I had it pretty easy. Is your thermostat gets reset. And now your sister's death, compared to someone losing their entire family in a horrendous accident, doesn't actually seem too bad. And I don't, let's say that I don't want to take anything away from people's grief. But what's really important, as we're talking about right now, is it's perspective. It is perspective. Whatever happens in a situation, there is no such thing that says that situation is good or bad.